YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Bring you guys another video. Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? You're not gonna believe what I got here. All right, guys. As you can see, I bit the bullet and I went ahead and got the TOYO r888r. The reason I got these tires is because I'm going to be tracking my car pretty soon, and I just wanted the best grip known to me. My phone died. I had to switch it up. Now it's nighttime. As you guys can see, I have some TOYO r888rs. So the r888rs are going to be the second generation. The first generation is going to be the TOYO r888s. Now the r888rs is the second generation. These are supposed to be better for rain, weather, etc., and they're supposed to be a lot quieter. As we know, the TOYO r888s are solely for track use. And the reason why I got these is because I'm going to be using this. I know there's been a lot of subscribers asking about the DRAGY, the horsepower, the 0 to 60 times. So I made sure I had the tires to get the job done. I'm going to give you guys a review on these tires to let you know how it feels, if I can feel, more of a grip and more of a pull. Like I said in my sprint booster video, guys, a lot of times tires alone can help you launch better. It can help you be a lot quicker. Growing up, I never really cared about tires. I always went with cheaper tires, and I've learned from just upgrading tires how much more fun your vehicle can be. So as you guys know, I currently have some Kumho tires, and these aren't cheap tires. I'm not gonna lie, these Kumhos are not cheap tires. They're like about $450 for two on the rear. But as you can see right here, I currently have the Kumhos. I'm not gonna lie, the Kumhos do a pretty good job as far as grip. They're getting the job done, but like I said before, I really wanna give you guys some really great time so you can know what your car is capable of doing. I'm just a guinea pig for the pack, so you guys can know exactly how much horsepower your car can take and what you can do to achieve that horsepower. And guys, I'm actually in the process of making another wide body kit. So I might sit a little bit more square. I don't lose any camber that I have on that. So just keep that in mind, guys. New wide body kit coming in. I got something really nice coming for you guys. What do you guys think about me retrofitting a virtual cockpit for the Audi A4, A5, A6, Q5 platform? I was thinking about doing a virtual cockpit. If you guys are interested in me doing a virtual cockpit for our vehicles and our cars, say yes in the comments, like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for all the love and support. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.